अगर मैं एनसीपी की बात करूं तो एनसीपी पर भी करीब 70,000 करोड़ रुपए के घोटालों का आरोप है। महाराष्ट्र स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक घोटाला, महाराष्ट्र सिंचाई घोटाला, अवैध खनन घोटाला, इनकी लिस्ट भी बहुत लंबी है।
Ajit Pawar has become Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister for the third time since 2019 and broke the NCP by staging a Sunday coup.
With the Shinde camp, the BJP MLA says the party is ready to tie up with the rebels if Shinde comes with a...
6 Shiv Sena UBT MPs who had switched allegiance have now been officially recognized as Shiv Sena MPs in Lok Sabha. With this recognition,
hours after one of the most senior leaders of the Congress party, Ashok Chavan, decided to leave and quit the Congress party now. According to our sources, Ashok Chavan will be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party at 12 p.m.
Big setback for the Congress party, where senior leader Milind Deora has joined the Shiv Sena in the presence of Maharashtra Chief Minister.
In Madhya Pradesh, top Congress leader Jyotiraditya Scindia has quit the Congress and all set to join the BJP, most likely in exchange for a cabinet berth and a Rajya Sabha seat. With him, close to 21 MLAs of the Congress shipped off to a resort in Karnataka.
made an address, Suvendu Adhikari, the former leader of the TMC, the tall former leader of the TMC, has now officially joined the BJP.
तो बड़ी खबर आपको बता रहे हैं, पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री और पश्चिम बंगाल के आसनसोल से सांसद बाबुल सुप्रियो ने बीजेपी को झटका दे दिया है। बाबुल सुप्रियो आज टीएमसी में शामिल हो गए।
The claim of full-blown revolt is now shaking Mamata Banerjee's party. 58 MLAs have claimed to be the real Trinamool after Speaker approved Ritabrata Banerjee, the man leading the rebellion, as the new leader of opposition.
Trinamool MLAs, members of parliament, appear to be deserting Mamata Banerjee. What's happening? Because now, according to our latest information coming in, 20 Trinamool Congresses, Lok Sabha members of parliament, appear to be moving away from, not the party, but from Mamata Banerjee as the leader.
बड़ी खबर सामने आ रही है, जहां पर ममता बनर्जी को एक और झटका लगा है। टीएमसी के 3 राज्यसभा सांसद बीजेपी में शामिल हो गए हैं।
Nitish Kumar resigns as the Bihar Chief Minister. Now Nitish and Tejaswi to stake claim to form the new government.
मर जाना कबूल है, उनके साथ जाना हमको कभी कबूल नहीं है, ये अच्छी तरह जान लीजिए।
मैं बिहार राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में।
और उधर कर्नाटक में बड़ी राजनीतिक हलचल हो रही है। कांग्रेस के दर्जन भर विधायक बागी बताए जा रहे हैं। हालांकि
The former Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh has joined the BJP today, nearly a year after he quit the Congress party. For
Congress MP from Punjab, Ravneet Singh Bittu, has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Bittu is the grandson of former Punjab Chief Minister Beyan Singh.
Formally inducted into the BJP, Sunil Jakar, by the National President of the BJP.
The sitting MP and the Jalandhar candidate from Aam Aadmi Party has joined the BJP, Sushil Rinku.
मुलायम सिंह यादव की छोटी बहू अपर्णा यादव सपा से नाराज चल रही हैं और वो भाजपा का दामन थाम सकती हैं।
Big setback for the Congress party. Young party leader and former MP Jitin Prasada has dumped the party and the Gandhis and joined the BJP.
RLD officially joins the ruling NDA.
The OP Rajbhar has joined the NDA alliance.
Veteran Congress leader A.K. Antony's son, Anil K. Antony, has joined the BJP.
Champai Soren, former Chief Minister of Jharkhand and veteran JMM leader, is set to join the BJP.
कांग्रेस के एक बड़े नेता रहे ज्योति मिर्धा कांग्रेस छोड़कर बीजेपी के साथ जाए। वो नागौर से कांग्रेस की सांसद रह चुकी हैं।
Mahendrajit Singh Malviya is contemplating joining the BJP.
Now, a day after Arjun Motwadia dumped Congress, he has now joined the BJP.
Hardik Patel, in hours from now, is going to be officially joining the BJP.
हम लोग पार्टी से नाखुश नहीं हैं, लेकिन जो असम का अभी जो हालत है, जैसे अभी इतना ज्यादा फाइनेंस।
Former Congress member of Parliament twice, who has in fact represented Kurukshetra constituency for the Congress party, and industrialist Naveen Jindal has quit the Congress party and has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Arvinder Singh Lovely has joined the BJP days after quitting the Congress. He was the Congress's Delhi Congress chief.
7 of Rajya Sabha MPs of the Aam Aadmi Party have defected to the BJP.